Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash out of Portland, Oregon. Hey, today I wanted to show you a new product that we just got in for the local guys. I don't know if we'll be shipping these or not. You can send me a message, but we have the original shooter tips from Guy Blackmon. Some of you may know who he is. Some of you guys may not. Look him up. He's one of the original guys that have been around for a long time and has contributed quite a bit to our industry. So let me show you these shooter tips and show you what we're dealing with. Let's take a look. All right, guys, we'll show you these shooter tips in just a second, but there you see a crutch, so you guys probably wonder where I've been. I've been out on surgeries, had ACL replacement, all that fun stuff. But hoping to see you guys all at the huge convention at the time of this video. It is the beginning of August 2022. So if you guys are there at the convention, say hello. But let's take a look at these shooter tips. So here they are here. I just went out to the truck before shooting this part of the video to see if we have one on our flatbed, and we don't. They actually have it on the new F-250, so we have 19. I'm gonna need one of these. But you can see it's beveled in there. These are 303 stainless steel. We've had a couple guys come into the shop, and two of them actually in a matter of the last month, replacing the aluminum ones. What's happening is aluminum is softer, and for some reason the channel in here is scarring up, and it's messing with their stream of water. Obviously, if this gets scarred up inside, it's not going to shoot us straight. So these are Guy Blackmon's. Some of you guys may know who he is, some of you may not, but he has been around for quite a while, and this is something that he invented as far as I know. This is what he uses. It's the main one that we've used for the last 4 years, and it's going to be our shooter tip of choice to sell to the local washer. So if you guys want one of these, get a hold of me. They're awesome. They're good quality. I'm sure they'll last a lot longer than those aluminum ones. So, all right, guys, have a great day. We'll see you guys all soon.